Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Alif. Today our group will present about FM Global Company. Next. Our presentation cover the background of FM Global, research and innovation, core logistic activities, analysis of logistic activities, and wrap up. For my part, I will explain about background of company. About FM Global. FM Global was founded in 1835 by Zachariah Alan. It is built on the belief that most losses are preventable. This idea has shaped the company's entire approach to risk management. Secondly, FM Global is now one of the largest commercial property insurer in the world, operating in over 1,000 locations with more than 5,500 employees, including 2,000 engineers. FM Global is mutual company, meaning it is owned by policyholder. This allows the organization to prioritize long-term safety and prevention rather than short-term profit. Next, role of FM Global in logistics and supply chain management. FM Global enhances the safety of warehouse, factories, and distribution center by identifying structural and operational risks that may disrupt logistic flow. Other than that, it helps organization identify high-risk route, supplier, and location, allowing companies to avoid potential disruption and strengthen supply chain reliability. Lastly, FM Global support business continuity, especially during disaster through engineering solution, risk assessment, and preventive strategy, ensuring operation can resume quickly with minimal downtime. That's it for me.
Okay, myself, I'm Koish, one part of this team, and I'm going to present about research and innovation. But okay, firstly, starting from the Fire Technology Laboratory, conduct full-scale tests including warehouse files, flammable liquid burns, lithium-ion battery ignition, and sprinkler performance evaluations. The results are used to create international fire protection and warehouse standards. The Natural Hazard Laboratory studies hurricanes, earthquakes, floods, and climate risks. Their findings guide business in site selection, building, elevation, and flood resilience planning. Next. Okay, and then additionally, FM Global continuously innovates to address emerging risks, including EV battery storage, automation, hazards, and AI assist warehouse system. This ensure clients and build safer, stronger, and more resilient logistic network. And finally, the Hydraulics and Explosion Research Division investigates industrial explosion, dust combustion, and gas ignition thresholds. The results fit into tools like the Worldwide Flood Map and Risk Mark Scoring System, helping companies optimize supply chain layout, shipping, and hazardous material handling. So that's all from me.
Good for part 3, I will explain the core logistic activities based on the company we study. FM Global Managed Next. Precision transportation of expert. FM Global's logistics is about moving people, not products. Where optimization engineers are distracted First, on regional transit exposure, client agency and operational scope. Equipment transport, specialized tools like infrared cameras and sensors are shipped to client sites for immediate assessment, rapid responses, efficient transport, shorter risk assessment cycle leading to faster hazard mitigation and business continuity. Next, bonus. Asset inventory for readiness. FM Global manage a uniquely high value inventory critical for risk assessment and loss prevention method via a precision asset management system. RFID tagging and cloud-based monitoring predictive analysis have been used. Next, data logistics at scale. Information logistics is the backbone of FM Global's science-based insurance model. Central AI models and risk analysis. There is found inspections, research data, risk reports, loss history, and IoT sensors. Next, facility and risk engineering. On site, engineers provide turnkey solution to harden facilities against physical risk, ensuring logistic flows remains unique. Verify column bracing and rack anchorage. Ensure adequate sprinkle density. Install flood barriers and water ingress protection. Upfront hardening prevents incidents that could harm operations for weeks. Next, disaster response and recovery logistics. When disaster strikes, FM Global coordinate response swings weeks of outage down to days. Pre-staging generators, temporary roofing, and mobile labs are positions near high-risk zone. Rapid assessment. Catastrophe team quickly assess damage and determine the best recovery path. Recovery and routing. Inventories are rerouted and operational are shifted to alternate facilities to restore capacity. Next, this is all from me.
So, good day everyone. Today I will be talking about the logistics activities of FM Global. Although primarily a commercial property insurer, FM Global runs an advanced logistics system that support risk mitigation and engineering service and business continuity for clients and worldwide. Their logistics can be grouped into 5 key areas. First, transportation management. FM Global coordinates the movement of over 1,800 engineers and their equipment in their equipment. This includes planning safe routes, schedules, and meeting regulation, ensuring engineers arrive on time and clients get reliable service. Secondly, inventory and asset management. Specialized tools like fire testing materials, sprinkles, and sensors are tracked with RFID, cloud system, and predictive analytics to prevent delays in inspection and research. Thirdly, information and data logistics. Data from inspection, IoT sensors, and hazard simulation is analyzed with AI and cloud system that create real-time risk rating and reports, helping clients proactively manage supply chain risk. Fourthly, facility and risk engineering logistics. FM Global help clients improve safety by designing fire prevention systems, strengthening buildings against natural disaster, and arranging safe warehouse layout, all coordinated efficiently to prevent operational disruptions. Finally, disaster response and recovery logistics. In emergency, FM Global quickly assess damage and arranges temporary storage, relocates operations if needed, and coordinates personnel and equipment to restore operations fast. That's it from me.
Talking about key logistics practitioners. Next.
Sorry lah, you lag.
Wait. It's okay.
Nah, dah okay, dah okay.
Now I'm talking about key takeaway for logistic practitioner. In key takeaway for logistic practitioner have embed prevention, knowledge standard trade data as infrastructure, and plan for mobility. In amber prevention, it ensures that highly specialized research equipment is easy to move and develop, allowing logistic team and field research to operate anywhere without being tied of one fixed location. In lower range standard, it means applying unified global logistics standard to prevent operation standard steer and ensure that the world supply chains run smoothly and efficiently. In trade data as infrastructure, information system become too rigid with other platforms, they become bottleneck. For example, warehouse use standard deviation barcode to ensure all shipment and inventory data is accessible. It treating data as a core infrastructure that keep operation running smoothly. Last, plan for mobility means preparing logistic operation to move and relocate quickly so that the supply chains stay decision and operation not under any circumstance. That's all for me.
Alright, thank you. Thank you, guys.